Hammertime.
What's up everyone and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today, I'm going to show you to make an Easter egg. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. Alright guys, this one actually turned out really cool. This was my first attempt at making an Easter egg, and I think I did pretty good. I did it one before that, and it's a little bit larger, but it's a little kind of elongated. But no egg is completely exactly the same, just like no piece of wood is exactly the same. So it's totally fine. And if you notice on these, I actually have the end is burnt where I parted it off, and that was not because of the parting tool. By far, that was the D-Wave parting tool, and if you haven't seen that video, check it out right up here. That is awesome. But what I actually did is there's a little nub that you leave right when you part, so I went ahead and took the grinder, which you really should never do. It just has a stone wheel, but I took the grinder and just ground it, and it burnt it. It's kind of a unique effect, but it looks pretty cool. But anyway, it looks great, and if you like the video, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. And until next time guys, happy building.